Hi folks! Well, for those of you that follow the channel, you've probably noticed that I haven't actually posted much in quite a while. And there's two reasons for that. One is, at the moment here in the northeast of England, it simply doesn't get dark astronomically speaking. Secondly, and perhaps more importantly, I've been busy in the process of selling the house and buying another house, and it's going to involve a relocation of about 300 miles north from the northeast of England to the northeast of Scotland, good 6 to 7 hour drive, and it's approximately a 4-degree change in latitude. So all this has got to come down, all of this, everything's got to come down and get relocated north. So what I thought I'd do in this video is show you the teardown. I'm Dr. Ray and welcome to AstroCatch. Normally at this time of year I would give the whole thing a good wash, get rid of all the moss and dirt from the winter. I'd do that kind of in situ, so to speak, but this year with it being torn down, I think I'm just going to wait till it's dismantled. It'll be much easier to do rather than use ladders like I normally do. Well folks, that's the end of that vid, so I hope you find it vaguely interesting and entertaining. It'll probably be the last one I'm going to do for a while until we get everything up there and get settled in and get everything set up again. So I might be a few weeks before I post again, but meantime keep watching the skies and thanks so much for watching.